Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing well. Today we discuss about integration formulae through trigonometric functions. D by dx of sin x plus c. So derivative of sin x, we get cos x. This reverse process is integration. So integral cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. Sin x plus c. Now derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x we get minus sin x. So derivative of minus cos x plus sin x. So integral, this reverse process is integration. Integral sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. We observe these four formulae. So derivative and integration formula. Derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Integral sin x is minus cos x. So derivative of sin x is cos x. Integral sin x is minus cos x. And d by derivative of cos x minus sin x in integration cos x dx is equal to plus sin x. In integration cos x dx is equal to plus sin x. So now we discuss about tan x and cot x. Derivative of tan x. So derivative of tan x we get secant square x. Secant square x. So this reverse process is integration. Integral secant square x dx is equal to tan x plus c. Tan x plus c. Now derivative of cot x. Now I say the derivative of cot x. So derivative of cot x we get minus cosecant square x. Derivative of cot x minus cosecant square x. The derivative of minus cot x is plus cosecant square x. This reverse process is integration. Integral cosecant square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c. Minus cot x plus c. Now, so integral secant square x we got tan x plus c. Integral cosecant square x. Integral cosecant square x we got minus cot x plus c. Where since any where c belongs to any real number. Where c belongs to any real number. Now I am going to explain secant and cosecant. Derivative of secant x. So derivative of secant x we get secant x into tan x. So derivative of secant x into tan x. This is the derivative. Reverse process is integration. Integral secant x tan x dx is equal to secant x plus c. Okay, next derivative of cosecant x plus c. Derivative of cosecant x we get minus cosecant x into cot x. Derivative of cosecant x minus cosecant x into cot x. So derivative of minus cosecant x plus cosecant x into cot x. This is the derivative. So reverse process is integration. So integral cosecant x into cot x dx is equal to minus cosecant x plus c. minus cosecant x plus c. Therefore, so integral secant x tan x, we get secant x. Integral cosecant x cot x, we get minus cosecant x. So very, very important formula. So now explain integration formula through inverse trigonometric functions. Derivative of sine inverse x. So derivative of sine inverse x, we get 1 by root 1 minus x square. This is the derivative formula. So reverse process is integration. So integral 1 by root 1 minus x square is sine inverse x plus c. Now I am going to explain cos inverse x. Derivative of cos inverse x. So derivative of cos inverse x, we get minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. Derivative of minus cos inverse x is plus 1 by root 1 minus x square. So this reverse process is integration. So integral 1 by root 1 minus x square dx is minus cos inverse x plus c. Minus cos inverse x plus c. We observe these two formulae. 1 by root 1 minus x square, results are sin inverse x or minus cos inverse x. Integral dx by root 1 minus x square is equal to one formula sin inverse x plus c or minus cos inverse x plus c. Minus cos inverse x plus c. Now we discuss about tan inverse x and cot inverse x integration formula. Derivative of tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x, we get 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. This is the derivative. Reverse process is integration. So integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse x plus c. Tan inverse x plus c. And now I am going to explain cot inverse x. D by dx, or derivative of cot inverse x plus c. So derivative of cot inverse x, 1 by minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Minus 1 by 1 plus x square. So minus cot inverse x is plus 1 by 1 plus x square. This reverse process is integration. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to minus cot inverse x plus c. We observe these two formulae. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x or minus cot inverse x. Therefore, integral 1 by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x or minus cot inverse x plus c. So tan inverse x plus c or minus cot inverse x plus c. Now I say that secant inverse x and cosecant inverse x. D by dx of secant inverse x. So derivative of secant inverse x, we get 1 by mod x into root x square minus 1. So this reverse process is integration. Integral 1 by x into root x square minus 1 is equal to secant inverse x plus c. Secant inverse x plus c. And derivative of cosecant inverse x plus c. Derivative of cosecant inverse x plus c. So derivative of cosecant inverse x derivative of cosecant inverse x, we get minus 1 by x into root x square minus 1. This is the derivative formula. So minus cosecant inverse x formula is plus 1 by x into root x square minus 1. So this reverse process is integration. Integral 1 by x into root x square minus 1 is equal to minus cosecant inverse x plus c. Minus cosecant inverse x plus c. The remaining formula I will explain on third part. Thank you very much.